I wanted to show you really quickly how to access the dictation tool in Microsoft. So if you would like your computer to type what you speak, you can do this in Word. You can do it in many other Microsoft programs. So what you're going to look for when you open up the program is this microphone with the dictate label. And if you're ready to dictate, you want to click on it. Now my computer is recording what I say. Okay, so it's just a matter of turning it on and off as you type, and then you can go back and edit whatever you typed. And that's how you use Dictation tool.